Nature's Garden. Today we are going to be making cold processed soap using our brand new fragrance oil, 1,000 Dreams. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we are working with our brand new 1,000 Dreams fragrance oil. I have got to say this is one of my favorite fragrance oils. I absolutely am obsessed with it. It gives you plenty of time to work and it is super strong in cold processed soap. So I highly recommend this one for soapers, candle makers, anyone who is using fragrance. It is awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be making a confetti soap today. So let's go ahead and get our ingredients combined. All right, so now we're just going to separate our soap batter. We're going to do about 1/3 of our soap in kind of a corally peach color at the base, and then the top will be white with confetti mixed in. So we're going to go ahead and add in our Jailhouse Red Fun Soap Colorant along. It's a mixture of the Jailhouse and the Neon Red. And we are going to go ahead and add titanium dioxide to the bulk of the soap batter. And now we're just going to pour the peach color into the mold here. Okay, and we're going to save some of the white to pipe on top of our soap. We're going to separate out just a little bit here to add to the top of the peach color. And we're going to add some of the confetti to it. We created the confetti using our neon pink fun soap colorant for the pink. We used the neon yellow for the yellow portion, and for the peach portion, we did a combination of the neon red and the Jailhouse red. All right, now we're ready to pour our soap into our mold. And now we're just gonna go ahead and go on top with some piping, and then we will sprinkle it with a little bit of confetti on top. So we're just going to let our soap set up a bit, and then we'll start piping. Okay, so now we are ready to pipe the top of our loaf. We are going to go ahead and add this to our decorating bag. All right, and now we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of our confetti right on top of our cold processed soap. Let's talk about this for 1 second. Here's the really great thing about doing confetti soap. It's going to allow you to use those little extra pieces that maybe left over from when you've cut a loaf or, you know, had a little bit of extra soap batter. All you have to do is grade them up and put them right into your soap. So we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle the top. And we're just gonna do just a light sprinkling just to bring that color to the top as well. All right, and now we are just going to let this set up before we get it cut. Okay, so our soap has set up and we are ready to cut it. And there you have it. Making your own confetti soap is really that simple. For even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you like the video. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye guys!